Hello, this is a Ford Galaxy. Going to change the headlight bulb on it. It's a 2018 Ford Galaxy. This headlight bulb here is gone. So from what I can understand from the manufacturer's instructions is that you've got to take out the headlight. So from what I can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Not sure if that comes out as well. Maybe 5. Probably 10mm. And then you could probably use a slot screwdriver for these two. Positive drive, crosshead drive for this one. If it comes out, I'm not sure what that's going on there. It just looks like a grommet. So it should come forward, and then inside you just, I don't know, hold it steady, and then there should be this bit here that comes off. Should be able to do. It's H7 bulb, what I can understand. So yeah, we're going to take these screws out and see where we go from there. Right, what else you've got to do as well, you've got a bracket that sits on there. If you look on the other one, got a bracket. So that comes out, 2 10mm bolts. And then you have to sort of slide it forward, manipulate it forward. You've got this bit here, it sticks, you've got to pry that out, and it sort of moves up like that. So there's nothing on the bottom, and then you sort of bring it forward. That's how much room you've got, which is great really, because you don't have to go through the wheel arch or anything like that. So we'll do that next. So that's what it looks like on the inside. You've got a spring there that just pops out, pops up, and then you need to pull this out as well. That needs to come out first. That comes out. And you can see better now. So that just comes out to the side. And then you got that. That's a H7 bulb, which I've got a spare one, I think. So I'm going to put that one in. So basically it's just the reverse of what you've done, really. So just be careful, take your time. That just slides in. There's only one way of putting it in. You can see the notch there for that bit, so it just goes straight back in the same way as you got it, you know, and that's that really. So I'll just put it all back together. Right, so change the bulb, which is down there, so make sure the bung goes back on when you're done, the cover, rubber cover. This bit here, so make sure that this is intact first and all, that everything lines up. What I've done here, which what you'll probably do as well, is and then you can see down there, look, it's got a grommet which I've lost down there, so be careful of that. I thought I'd show you this. Make sure you've got a magnet with you. There you go, it's one of them, which goes in there. So make sure you got that so you can screw it back together. Right then, so that's all put back together. So things to remember. So you got a slot screwdriver there, slot screwdriver there. These are 8mm, 2 8mm, did say 10mm, but they're 8mm. 2 10mm there. This bracket has to come off. And then this bit here, make sure you unlodge that, because if you don't, then it's going to snap. This little bit here, well, I took it off. By the time I put it back on, it fell through, but I don't think you need that anyway. Bit annoying that is, but I don't want to get framed for it, because it's pretty intact anyway. So that's the headlight I've just changed. That one, it's a H7 55 watt. So basically, once all these are out, once that bracket's out, it's a case of sort of turning it, get this bit out here and turning it, and it'll fall away. Behind it, you've got the rubber bung. I mean, if you want to take the whole headlight out, just plug it down there. You can see that, that's just one connector. And then inside, just take the pull the connector away, undo the spring, pull the headlight out, the light bulb out, change it. It only goes in one way, so you can't get it wrong. And then just put it all back together. And that's it. Same on the other side. Not much different. That's it really. So a bit annoyed where that bit is. It might turn up. It might have fell down. Fell out of the way. Might be under the car when I find it, but hey, that's it. So that's how you change the headlight bulb and remove the headlight on a Ford Galaxy 2018 model. Hopefully this helped you. Please subscribe, click like, give some comments. Thanks very much.